Asun tuossa Köyhtiötien risteys.
Let's take a quick run here today. On the 24th of June 2022. Yeah, Keonpellonkatu was at 7. Yeah.
Yes.
But Keonpellonkatu 5 is separate. Here in Raisio, Suomi, Finland. Finland, proper Finland. It was built in 1960. Turned 60 years old in 2020. Modernized in 2007 because as fixtures. The protection is turning 15 years old this year in 2022 and it's going to be inspected in 2024. The serial number is H8789. The capacity is 3 purses at 4 grams. Well, the building 5 we don't know yet.
But it's same also.
Yeah. The building 9 we don't know also. It has a door, I mean it's with an intercom.
Ah, yeah.
So then it's only building 9 is unknown.
Yep.
Maybe I can come back to it later.
Yeah.
There is no door close by here. The interior is not bad.
Yeah.
But they could have been modernized with Delta in 2007.
Mm.
But at least we have the information here also.
Yeah.
Because the buildings 1 to 3 had been replaced in 2020.
Yeah. Inspected by QA, inspected, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. But it's hard to say if building 9 is still original.
Yeah.
And there have been 6 there. Because it is hidden.
Yeah.
These are also hidden. That's it.
That's